Welcome everyone to my new price prediction on Synthetix cryptocurrency for December 2023, part of the daily video series presentations. We're actually considering taking the spotlight again. Being amongst biggest gainers, Synthetix is worth our attention. I'm sure there is more and more people dealing with this, so you definitely want to make sure what kind of expectations to have. At the same time, which are the levels you need to be aware of. In a market situation that represents the majority of the alts and BTC along the way suffering and dipping, it seems like there are some cryptos out there that we're actually talking about today, such as Injective, Bunk, Synthetix, that I am pretty much covering in the presentation for you guys to have a very clear idea on the topic. Now, what else do we have to speak on the topic will be correlated with the price section. Before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. As well, we have our 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024. Make sure to watch that out as well. We already have 6 episodes posted and there's going to be more coming out every single day. So you can check that out as well, including the ability for you to join my trades, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made, where we perform the trading for you and you are actually paying on commission based on performance every 7 days. We also have the second option, which is coming in on a monthly fixed fee. But then there is the coaching program for anyone out there looking to be serious about this business and taking it in a realistic way to the next level. Whether you are struggling or just getting started, it is necessarily a high level education before you touch the trading space, as I consider. So what's happening on Synthetix one-day candlesticks? Well, simply, we just broke out of a very meaningful level, and this is something crucial, I would say. We have been through an accumulation stage period that started a little bit earlier than 2023, somewhere around August 2022 with this specific top. Now, I do consider that part of the accumulation stage because the low we have prior to that, which is this one, is also confirming during the accumulation stage and making the connection between them. So this is the great part of it, right? Now, the ability for us to consider higher levels and other details will be important as well, due to the fact that we just broke out for the recent case scenario, and we're aiming to touch much higher numbers for the December mark. Even though the crypto space has dipped a couple of days ago, Synthetix didn't suffer that much. We were wicking, we were creating a shadow, so we had a price action pulling down, yet it has been heavily purchased. And this is especially coming after you're actually breaking out of the accumulation stage environment line, and now you're going to discover some prices, especially with the liquidity being taken from the highs. Synthetix is going to focus on 2 different targets, the zigzag movement between the traditional 1.272 and 1.414 extensions, as well a high that can be taken on 1.618 as well right there, which has been quite aggressive in the past at those levels. So this is basically what we consider as major targets for December 2023, not for 2024. And having on mind that the market has been already moving 27% in the past 7 days. What about another, couple of great percentages out there, building a total in the last couple of weeks that are left of the year to 71% pump? I mean, that would be quite strong and should satisfy anyone. Even from the current level, a pump towards 33% is going to be amazing. What do I request actually? And the only thing I will request before the new year starts is to be above $4.5, which is something that we have already achieved. But I want to make sure we are staying above the accumulation stage period and we successfully broke out of the stage before the new year starts. That's what I only request from SNX Crypto. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, what about the moving averages? Could be something that I should touch and discuss. Well, moving averages are not in a bad shape. Moving averages are having a fork pattern out there where all the candlesticks are confirming at the time they touch the 20 days on top of the fork situation. This is very aggressive, and aggressive towards bullishness, aggressive towards a market continuation, which is heavily supported by the space. So the 20 days moving average confirmation means a lot. Along the way, in the way the whole structure is positioned, there is a bit of a gap right now that is quite high between 50 days and 20 days. Might retrace a little bit, but then the markets will start basically to reaccumulate, position themselves, and continue higher, which is why we have plenty of days till the year is going to finish. A couple of weeks actually. We're almost in the second part of the month. Beautiful. That's it where we are with SNX Crypto. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, stick with me for 100 episodes, and make sure that the only source of information is the reality of the market without considering some crazy wild predictions that are not backed up by anything, putting out numbers just for you to enjoy and hear those things and make you feel comfortable is not the type of materials you will see from my side. If you would like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do it. No prior fee, only commission from profits made. The option number 2 is on a monthly fixed fee. You can find out more on our page. You can also jump on a quick conversation with me on Zoom. You can ask me, and by completing the form, you can participate as well. There is the coaching program now. Watch the video to receive a detailed explanation. As well, qualify for a free conversation with me right here as well. Learn how to trade. Basically, it is the topic. A one-on-one coaching program with me will take you by hand and teach you how to trade intensively with technical analysis, live trading exercises, homework, discussion, strategies, indicators. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm explaining you all the steps that I actually perform to trade. Very, very important. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon and enjoy.